In the wild, giraffes roam freely. But here, we show the journey of ethically simulated hides.
All clear. Grade A for production.
Every hide is checked for quality and ethical compliance before entering production.
Make sure no debris remains on any sheet.
Clean hides are prepared for the next step, tanning and durability.
Rotate evenly to ensure consistent softness.
Tanning strengthens and preserves the leather, making it ready for craftsmanship.
In the wild, giraffes roam freely, their hides unique. Each hide tells its own story of quality and uniqueness.
Ethically simulated collection ensures safety and compliance.
Transported carefully to the processing facility.
All crates logged and ready.
Initial quality check ensures only premium hides move forward.
Hides are ready for the next step, washing and pre-treatment.
Each hide is gently washed to remove debris.
Check edges carefully.
Proper handling prevents damage before tanning.
Washing ensures a pristine start for luxury leather.
No defects here. Ready for the next step.
Organized for smooth workflow.
All batches logged.
Prepared hides now enter the tanning stage.
Tanning strengthens and preserves the hides.
Rotate evenly for uniform softness, ensuring consistent quality across all sheets. Temperature stable, perfect process. Tanned hides are now strong and flexible.
Organized for color and finishing treatments.
Precision ensures luxury quality.
All data recorded.
Now the hides move to coloring and surface treatments.
These AI-simulated giraffes showcase the natural pattern that inspires synthetic giraffe-pattern leather. The journey begins with studying the natural giraffe pattern, the inspiration for our synthetic leather. The finishing hall is where the giraffe pattern becomes richer, smoother, and ready for high-end fashion. Spray evenly. Keep the giraffe pattern clean.
Polishing gives the synthetic hide its signature softness. Match tone 14-C. Keep the pattern contrast strong.
Press at 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't flatten the texture.
Surface smooth, pattern sharp, feels perfect.
Controlled drying locks in the color and texture.
Batch F28 cleared. Move it to the cutting floor.
Inside the cutting department, precision and safety shape every piece of the luxury jacket.
Team, check your blades, safety guards, and desk clearance. Everyone ready?
Ready.
Pattern alignment perfect. Lock it in.
A laser grid maps each inch to maximize efficiency. Rotate the template. Keep the chest pattern symmetrical. Curves look clean. Proceed. Safety guards stay locked before any cutting begins.
The first cut defines the garment's structure.
Good wrist control, don't drift.
Copy.
Corners require years of practiced skill.
Match the pattern flow, left to right. Now, the cut panels come to life as skilled hands begin assembling the jacket.
Check needle tension, thread path, and finger guards.
Tension set. Guards locked.
Keep your feet steady, tighten that curve.
Adjusting now.
A smooth interior lining ensures comfort and premium feel. A smooth interior lining ensures comfort and premium feel.
Edges are bound and trimmed to maintain clean lines.
Edges are bound and trimmed to maintain clean lines.
Even the collar requires precision to match the flowing pattern.
Hold the sleeve curve steady. Lining smooth, stitch it. Stitch strength perfect. No gaps. Approved. With the body complete, the jacket moves to finishing touches. Once assembled, the jacket enters the finishing department, the place where raw craftsmanship becomes luxury.
Even, light pressure, keep the pattern clean.
Good. Don't oversaturate.
A thin layer of wax enhances depth and protects the natural pattern.
Heat at 140. Smooth pass, no burns. Edges are sealed and smoothed for a premium feel.
Enhancing contrast, keeping it natural looking.
A heat-pressed emblem marks authenticity.
Clear coat applied. 20% gloss.
Every loose thread is removed. Perfection is mandatory.
Shoulder symmetry.
Perfect. Collar sits clean.
With every detail refined, it's ready for packaging and authentication.
The final journey begins in the packaging department, where luxury meets precision.
Wrinkles clear. Moving to inspection table.
Each jacket receives a unique ID, impossible to duplicate.
Ensure plate sits flush. Locked in.
Inspectors confirm the natural giraffe-like pattern aligns across all panels.
Inserts placed, no folds on the pattern.
Breathable garment bags protect the leather during transport.
Box corners sealed. Ready for the jacket.
Foam padding preserves the jacket's structure.
Make sure the warranty card is signed.
Signing now.
Make sure the warranty card is signed.
Signing now.
The final seal marks the completion of a 30-step creation process.
Box complete. Ready for the jacket. The giraffe pattern surface is preserved with protective padding and anti-crease support. Warranty card signed?
Yes, adding it now.
A sealed package marks the completion of a meticulous 30-step process.
Giraffe pattern jacket ready for dispatch.
Ready for its journey across the U.S. Each piece carries a story of precision, craftsmanship, and American innovation.
Every pattern, every stitch, every detail, perfected by human hands. When the machines rest, what remains is the proof of dedication.
The iconic giraffe pattern finish, unmistakable and bold.
Looks beautiful every time. Inspired by nature. Engineered for longevity. Inside the factory, giraffe pattern jackets are crafted with care, each step reflecting precision and creativity. Patterns that tell a story, texture that speaks for itself. But
From factory floors to the world of luxury. Every masterpiece deserves a perfect send-off. This is the journey of creation, from vision to perfection.
We're on our way to 1 million views. Help us share the journey of rare giraffe leather craftsmanship. This is the journey of creation, from vision to perfection. Craftsmanship.
Amazing work, team. Thanks to everyone watching and supporting us. From raw material to luxury jacket, every detail was crafted with care. Now it's your turn to help us reach.
Hit like, subscribe, and share this inside look at our giraffe leather factory. Every click counts. Relive every step of the process. The patterns, the craft, the attention to detail.
Thank you for watching. Share this story, and let's reach 1 million views together.
Turn to help us reach.
Hit like, subscribe, and share this inside look at our giraffe leather factory. Every click counts. Relive every step of the process. The patterns, the craft, the attention to detail.
Thank you for watching. Share this story, and let's reach 1 million views together.